have a lucky patcher already in my mobile and it's for free. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I will show you how to install lucky patcher. Here you can see I have a lucky patcher already in my mobile and it's for free. No need to root your mobile and everything. And here you can see I can use all features of this lucky patcher. So if any of my friend want to download this lucky patcher, so I already give link in the descriptions. And I also request my friends, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I know this video is not so long as it have to be to get a couple of hours to complete my target, but I think that it's nonsense to make a long video. So I'm just telling you direct, this is the lucky patcher and I already give the link in the description from where I download this. So for you I just put a direct link from Google Drive, so you can easily download without any problem. And before ending this video, I request my friends, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Here you can see I have my channel, so I have 1051 subscribers, so please help me to increase my subscribers. Okay friends, thanks for watching this video. I hope that you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe, share with your friend if you like. Thank you. And if you have any kind of problem, you can comment me. Thank you friends, have a nice day. Bye bye.